Today, we would like to invite you to visit the 4i Platform Store. In it, you will find all our solutions, hardware, and even monthly and annual subscriptions. Let's simulate a purchase to see how it works dynamically and easily. To do this, go to the Ready to Go section. First, we must identify what we are looking for. In this case, a standard annual subscription. Click on Annual and choose Subscription. Once we enter the subscription, click on Sign Up Now, and you will be taken to checkout. If you have a coupon, you can apply it here. We complete with the purchase data and payment methods, and finally, click on Place Order.